In primetime news this evening, questions raised after controversial Montego Bay pastor and policeman die in traffic crash in St. Catherine.
I'm sure they would have made the assessment and would have taken the route that they believe would be the safest route to get them there.
Pathway International congregants react with shock and disbelief. And Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce demand action on the renovation of the Cornwall Regional Hospital.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on today's crash that resulted in the death of a policeman and Pastor Kevin Smith? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.